In a cozy little village, nestled beside a great whispering forest, lived a kind woodcutter named Rahim with his 3 wonderful children, the brave Ali, the wise Sara, and the gentle Hassan. Their home was small, but filled with love and the scent of freshly cut wood. One day, their father Rahim fell ill, his strong hands now too weak to lift his axe. Worry clouded the children's faces as they watched their father rest. "Don't worry, Papa," said Ali, his voice full of courage. "We will go to the forest. We will gather the wood for you." Sarah nodded in agreement, her mind already thinking of a plan, while young Hassan held his father's hand, promising to be careful. The next morning, with a small cart and a shared sense of duty, the 3 children ventured into the dense forest. The woods, usually a place of wonder, seemed vast and intimidating. Suddenly, with a loud crack, a heavy branch fell right in their path. Hassan yelped in surprise, but Ali quickly pulled him back. "Stay close," he said. "Sarah, how do we get past this?" Sarah, ever the thinker, examined the branch. "It's too heavy to lift all at once," she observed. "But if we work together, we can push one end at a time." And so they did. Ali pushed with all his might, Sarah guided the angle, and Hassan cleared the smaller twigs away. Slowly but surely they cleared the path, their first challenge overcome. They learned that even the biggest problems can be solved piece by piece, together. As they went deeper, a skinny, hungry-looking dog appeared, growling softly. It looked more scared than angry. Hassan, who loved animals, felt a pang of sympathy. While Ali stood guard, Sarah remembered the small piece of bread their mother had packed. "Maybe it's just hungry," she whispered. Hassan slowly approached the dog, offering the bread. The dog's growl turned into a grateful whimper as it ate. With a wag of its tail, it trotted alongside them, a new furry guardian. Their kindness had earned them a friend. Their journey continued until they reached a wide, shimmering lake they needed to cross. Dark clouds were gathering overhead. As they untied a small boat, a huge eagle with sharp talons swooped down, trying to snatch their food basket. "Protect the food," Ollie shouted. Sarah quickly threw their blanket over the basket, while Hassan made loud noises to scare the bird away. The eagle, startled, flew off to a high cliff. They had protected their precious supplies with quick thinking and bravery. But their biggest test was yet to come. As they rowed across the lake, the storm broke. Rain lashed down and wind rocked their little boat. Hassan was scared, but Sarah started singing a calming song their father used to sing. Ollie, inspired by her courage, rowed with all his strength, keeping the boat steady against the waves. They focused on each other, on the song, and on the rhythm of the oars. They weren't just 3 children in a boat. They were a team, a single unit of strength and hope. Finally, wet and exhausted, they reached the other side. They gathered the best firewood they could find, their hearts light with achievement. The journey back was easier, with the storm past and their spirits high. When they returned home, their father Rahim was waiting by the window. His eyes filled with tears of pride. He hugged them tightly, not just for the wood they brought, but for the courage, kindness, and teamwork they had shown. That night, warmed by the fire, the children knew they had not only helped their family, but had also discovered the strength that lies within themselves when they work together, with honesty in their hearts and love as their guide. Thank you for joining our story time tonight. We hope it filled your dreams with adventure and courage. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and follow for more wonderful tales. Sweet dreams,